Hello बच्चे लोग, how are you? Once again your Dipti Nani is back with a new story for you. My dear children, I have to tell you one thing. Nowadays, because you have online classes, you are also playing outside and all the time, most of the time you are playing. In the same way, I have some children near my home and they also play and make lot of noise. But I am sure you won't mind it. And one thing more, please do like, because if I see your like, I really feel very happy and I am inspired to come with more and more stories. Today I am going to tell you a story which is a bit different and bit long, lengthy, but I am sure you will enjoy. Once upon a time, there lived two sisters named Malini and Shalini. These two sisters lived with their parents, and Shalini was very kind-hearted, humble and hardworking, whereas Malini was very beautiful, but all the time she was worried about her looks. All the time she used to look in the mirror and was always busy in beautifying herself. The mother liked Malini because she was very beautiful, but father liked Shalini more because she was very humble and nice. Shalini helped her mother a lot. One day, their father became ill and he couldn't get up for many days. So the mother asked Shalini to go for work and earn something. When Shalini left home and went out, first she met one tree. The tree called Shalini and it said, "My dear child, can you please help me? I'll do some work for you." And it asked her to remove all the twigs and branches from itself. Shalini very slowly and softly removed all the twigs and branches from the tree. The tree thanked her and she went further. When she went further, she came across one dying vine tree and it requested her to dig the ground and put its roots properly in the ground. Shalini did it very willingly and the dying vine tree thanked her and promised her to help her in future. Then she went further. She came across one oven which was made of clay and the oven called Shalini and she requested her to fill up all the cracks and make a proper surface. And Shalini did it. The oven thanked her and promised her to help in future. Then she came further and she met one well and the well requested her to clean the surroundings and also requested her to take out all the dirt from the well by taking out some water. Shalini cleaned the well and she also cleaned the surroundings and the well was very happy, thanked her and promised to help her in future. And then she met one small puppy which was very dirty. The puppy requested Shalini to give her a bath because she was very small and she was scared to go in the water. Shalini gave her bath and the puppy was very happy and thanked Shalini and promised her to help in future. Then she was very tired. She came across one nice palace and that palace belonged to fairies. And Shalini slowly opened the door and the fairies came and she said that, "Can I stay here for this night? Can I stay here tonight?" And the fairies asked her why she had come. She said that she had come to earn some money as the father was ill. The fairies gave her some food and told her to sleep nicely and also told her to stay there and clean the house every day and they will give her some money. The main fairy, the queen fairy, showed her the 7 rooms next day, and she said that Shalini had to clean all the 6 rooms and she should never open the 7th room. Shalini did her work for full 1 year, 12 months, and then she said that she wanted to go home. Now the main queen fairy told Shalini that she was very happy with her work, and she told her that come with me, and she took her to the 7th room, and she opened the 7th room, and Shalini was surprised to see there were lot of gold coins, silver coins, and gold and silver beads, and the main fairy asked her to roll on it, and whatever would stick she could take home. Shalini rolled and got lot of gold and silver coins and beads, and she took all of them from her body and put it in one bag, thanked the fairies, and started moving. When she went further, first of all she met the puppy. The puppy was fully covered with pearls, and the puppy came running to her and gave her some pearls. She took the pearls and put it in the bag and started moving further. She thanked the puppy. Then she came near the well. The well asked Shalini to take some cold water because there were a lot of pots. Shalini had some cold water and thanked well and moved further. She came near the oven, and near the oven there were a lot of bread and donuts and biscuits. The oven offered her all that, and she ate everything, put some in the bag, and started moving, thanking the oven. Then she came near that dying wine tree, and the wine tree was full of grapes, and it offered her grape juice. She had some juice and took some juice in one bottle and went further. And there she came near the tree, and to her surprise, the tree was fully loaded with fruits. It offered her some fruits. She took some fruits and took some fruits with her. When she went home, her father was alright. He was very happy to see Shalini. She hugged her, and he hugged her, and he was very happy, and he showed her mother, see what my dear Shalini has earned. But mother did not like Shalini much. So she said, "Oh, what is that? You see, my daughter Malini will go and earn more than Shalini." So next day, Malini started for search of work, and she went for earning. She also met everybody, but she did not help anybody. She said no to the tree. She said no to the dying wine tree. She said no to oven. She said no to well. She said no to the puppy. And then at last she went to the fairies, and she worked. But one day she opened the 7th room, which fairies had told her not to open. And when she opened, lot of mosquitoes and honeybees and spiders gave her bites, and she got all the red boils on the body. She ran away from there, and when she was returning, once again she met all these objects, all these people. She met puppy, she met well, she met oven, she met dying wine tree, and she met the tree. But nobody helped Malini because she had not helped any of them, and she went home crying. And when mother saw, she was shocked and she was very unhappy. But Shalini was very good. Shalini cleaned her sister, applied all the cream everywhere, and put her to sleep. And mother also realized that Shalini did not have beauty, but she had a very good heart. She had a very beautiful heart. And that day onwards, the mother and father kept both the daughters very nicely, and mother did not keep any difference between Shalini and Malini. Did you like my stories? What did you learn from this story? We learn is that we should not be idle. We should not be proud about our beauty or whatever we have. We should help people who are in need, and whatever we do, we should do sincerely and wholeheartedly. If you like my story, Do like, share and subscribe if you have not. And bye till I come with a new story. Love you.